Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of Quick Scan not working in Windows 11 with Windows Defender. Sometimes Windows Security may fail to run a Quick Scan due to corrupted files, disabled services, or conflicts with third-party antivirus software. Fortunately, there are simple steps you can follow to get it working again. Let's get started. Step 1. Ensure the Defender service is running. Open the search menu and type services.msc. Click Services from the results. Scroll down and double-click on Microsoft Defender Antivirus Service. Set startup type to automatic. If service status is stopped, click Start, then click Apply and OK. Step 2. Modify registry settings. Open the search menu and type Regedit, then right-click and choose Run as Administrator. To back up the registry, click File, then select Export, choose a location, name the file, set export range to all, and click Save. Navigate to the following path, HKE local machine, then go to the software folder, then go down here to find policies, click Microsoft, and then here locate Windows Defender. On the right panel, look for any DWORD entries. If any value is set to 1, double-click it and change the value to 0. Close the registry editor and restart your computer. Step 3. Run DISM and SFC scans. Open the search menu and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt, then select Run as Administrator. Run the following command to check system health: DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health. Wait for the scan to complete. This may take several minutes. Then run the system file checker with the following command, sfc /scanow. This will also take a while, so just be patient. Once this is completed, restart your computer. That's all. Hopefully this resolves the issue with Windows Defender Quick Scan. Feel free to like and subscribe if this helped.